Okay, this is us stepping in. Looks nice. So we just stepping in here. Here's the lobby here. You can see it's nice down here. All right. So we're gonna check all the stuff out around, but first we gotta make a stop. We're gonna make a stop over here. Why? Cause that's where Shorty's at. Look, who is it? Wait.
Do I know you? I think we've met before, but I can't really remember where.
I don't know, but you look kind of good.
I don't know you like that, sir.
I'm trying to get to know you like that.
Bro, fucking apron.
Asian lady saying, she said, "Oh, spicy chicken."
Hey, they do have a little kick to it though. She ain't gonna lie to
I
you.
was laughing. I was like, "Why the fuck did you say, yo?"
She is funny, bro. She a character. Soda, refreshing. All right, so I went and ordered the wings. I got this sweet chili with some fries and some ranch. I'm not gonna lie, when I opened it up, it smells so good. You can see I'm glistening. Brody over here got the burger. Got that spotlight on it. That's the show star right there. Look at it. It motherfucker- All right. Motherfucker look good. That is a strong bite, fam. How's it tasting?
That's one of the better burgers I've had. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is not wet and soaked.
Bet that.
The bun is good. It's like fresh bread. That was good.
Yeah, the bun look toasty. It was like what does it remind you of? All right. No, I'm about to get down on it right quick. Some wings. Give it a good dip in the ranch. Swirl it around. Get it covered the whole diameter.
I'm really nice. Wow.
I'll just be saying bullshit.
So good.
Boy,
I'm a bit to the bone. I know it's good because I got my hair in it. That ranch, oh, that ranch is that stuff. I'm gonna get that figured out, but it's worth another dip. I give a fry a try. Because fries, they're made right, they make a big difference. This is a cluster of them right there. That's nice. That deserves a dip. Want to try the fry? Try the fry right quick. Let them know what you think of the fries.
I do deserve a dip.
They deserve a dip. They got crunch too. They got nice crunch. All right, I'm about to sit down and kill it because it's worth the bites. But I need something to wash it down. Oh, round two.
Y'all got a favorite bridge?
No. Actually, that one. Now that you mention it.
This part.
What are you zooming in on the tile?
Spinners on my drop. Nothing but white and yellow rocks in my watch. Doing 150, so I'm watching for the cops.
All of the graphics, like, all the music was stop.
A Jeep and a sled
By a 16-year-old.
crashing into a curb. And me and Dennis were about to go take the
You were literally
SUV
talking about doing the
parking
same
lot
thing.
over there.
It's like ecstasy.
Oh, man.
Bro, my
They're
friend
open
went to
till 4 a.m.
ecstasy yesterday. I said, bro, what? No, not me.
They really want to get out.
Those are gonna be a minute. Start adding, the meat cooks fast. So you're gonna stick it in. You don't have to wait to pull everything out at one time. You put it in and pull it out as you want.
And a birthday strainer if you need to strainer.
The hell is
Josie and Joseph.
careful because it's gonna splash.
Oh.
Yeah, it's hot.
Trees. And then bean sprouts. I don't know how y'all feel about
We do a lot.
Rest of these, 'cause I'm fucking getting full. God, that's
I was also trying to catch a buzz before I got
Put a mushroom in here.
I don't know, these kind of scare me.
I always see them and never try them. I would try one of the brown ones.
Oh, it's still in there
I don't
somewhere.
need that much. I'm gonna just try one of them, just to save it.
What? The ball?
I said I'm just gonna try one of everything. Just to
Yeah,
save it.
they're actually good. I don't like shit real too fishy, but these are both actually good. And
Are they
that's
different?
good. This is my favorite. They're a little different, but you can't really tell.
Wait, what's oh, they're lobster.
I want to see your video after your
What?
I am.
gotta,
I'm
like,
still eating.
You don't like cat
No. Dude, do you smell it? It smells
Some
like
stuff's gonna cook
fucking-
faster. It looks like your noodles could come out.
No, it's just that the noodles take a while to cook.
The fat ones, they take a little bit longer.
Good job. Warm it up.
Just drinking the good daddy what? No, you're undone.
Some of these might need a fork.
That's not what you think so.
It's just for my sister. I'm just.
It was the manager from opening bell.
I was gonna do it. I'm recording tomorrow. Good. I'm rocking out tomorrow. That was my first notice thing. Shit, I'm gonna be too loud.
As long as it's drink.
Kendall, you got Instagram? You dump your whole sauce.
He repeated the same thing over to me.
I'm a saucy girl, and I added more.
He was part of Trump, and he writes him back. Go ahead.
I said, when you come to your party?
He said he came to my party, and then she's like, "What birthday was it? What year? When did you meet him? Tell him to come pick you up."
I have no idea what this is.
Is that the fish cake?